Today I'll show you an absolutely free and worldwide website that will pay you real money for leaving likes on Instagram posts or YouTube videos and so on. Since I guess it is something you already do on a daily basis, it will be very easy for you. Anyway, if you want to make it work properly, then make sure to follow me till the end of this video. I'll also show you how you can maximize your results, so stay tuned for that. But just before we begin, let me remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Academia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since I'll notify you whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now start with today's video so I can show you everything. So as I said before guys, today I'm going to show you a site that will actually pay you for just leaving likes. But first of all, I want to show you proof that this actually works. So as you can see right here, there are people from all around the world that are getting paid every single day actually with this website with their preferred payment option. As you can see, it's either Perfect Money or Bitcoin, so you can either get paid with cryptocurrency. And this is proof that this a website is actually legit and it's going to pay you. If you scroll down, you're going to see that there are over 170 pages of payment proof. Now the site in question guys is called Follow Fast, and this is over at followfast.com. As you can see here, you can earn money by liking pages and also you can advertise your own pages. We don't want to advertise ourselves, so we are here to make money for free, but also it's worth noting that you can advertise yourself using this platform. With that said, you're going to see here that it's free to join, and as I said in that intro, so once you join them, you'll be able to start accumulating points by leaving likes on Facebook posts, Instagram posts, YouTube videos and so on. So you'll have two options. You can either redeem those points for money in real cash or Bitcoin, or you can actually use them to advertise yourselves. Now, something I want to note about this website, beside the payment proof that I showed you, is that it's been around since 2012, so they've been around for a long time actually, and this shows how legit this platform is because people have been using it for years and years and are getting paid with it. And in case you have still doubts, you can check out the payouts here by yourself. So with that said, as you can see, this is not a lot of money here, and you can't make like thousands of dollars a day or even a month with this platform, since after all you're just getting paid for leaving likes, which takes like a second to do, and it's something you do on a daily basis. But if you stick with me, I'll show you later on what you can do in order to get even more money. Anyhow, in order to get started making money with this site, you need to create an account for absolutely free first. So you can do that by clicking on the join button in the upper right corner here, and it's going to take you over to this page when you need to put your username, you need to put a valid email address, a password, retype the password. Then you need to complete this captcha by putting the number that it's shown here and then click on join. And as a side note, this referral box here is for people who have been referred to this website. So since no one referred you here, you can leave it empty as it says right here. Now, once you log in and create your account, this is how it's going to look like. Here in the upper left corner, you'll be able to see the amount of points that you have accumulated, which you then exchange for money or cryptocurrency by clicking on cash out right here. And on the very next page, you'll be able to choose your preferred payment option. And something that I want to mention, which is very important, is that beside offering the Bitcoin and Perfect Money, you can also use magnetic exchange here to get paid with other payment methods, just like advanced cash, Neteller, Ethereum, bank transfer, and so on and so forth. So while it might seem that you don't have that many payment options at first, thanks to magnetic exchange here you can get paid in many other ways as well. Down here you're going to see the minimum payout system, which is $1.5 for PayPal, Bitcoin and Perfect Money, and also you're going to see that you're going to get paid within 3 to 5 business days or less, and you can cancel your payment request to change payment address or method. So I want to show you something else right now, which is very important in my opinion. and there are the daily bonuses right here. If you click on it, you're going to go over to this other page, and you're going to see that by logging in every single day and liking like 15 videos or posts, you'll be able to earn 100 daily points, which are extra. And liking like 15 videos and leaving 3 likes an hour won't take that much time. So these two features are very awesome, and they allow you to earn a bit more money with a tiny amount of effort. With that said, now let me show you how you can be able to like, for example, YouTube videos or some Instagram posts. In order to get started, you need to click here under in this icon under likes, and it's going to take you over to this page where it's going to show you all of these posts that you can like. You need to click on one of them, and then it's going to take you over to the Instagram post. You just need to click in here to like this post, wait a couple of seconds, and then go back here to followfast.com, and you're going to see that your points are going to get higher. So you're going to accumulate your points. In case you have any troubles receiving them, it's most likely because you are closing this post, the Instagram post, too quickly. So you make sure that you, after you leave the like, wait at least 2 or 3 seconds so you can actually get paid. With that said, now another way that you can make money with this website, as I told you in the beginning, so you can maximize your results, is through the use of their referral system. You just need to hover your mouse in this arrow here and then select referrals, and it's going to take you over to this page where you'll be able to see your referral link down here, and also you're going to see that you're going to earn 10% of what the people that you refer to here have made. So if you refer like 10 people to this site of more and they make like $100 combined, you're going to earn $10 in passive income. Obviously, this is not a big amount of money, but it's made in passive income and with little to no effort at all. So you just refer people here and your work is done. Now, since this is a make money online site, a good way that you can use in order to refer a good traffic source is the social media platforms. So you can go over to Facebook groups or Instagram pages related to make money online, or also to forums and share your referral link with people there. And by sharing your referral link with people who want to make money online, who are interested in making money online, you can easily get a lot of clicks. And once people sign up to this platform and start earning money, you'll do so as well. Now, with that said, referring people to here is an optional step, even though I would highly recommend you do it if you want to make more money. But if you just want to get paid by liking videos or posts or other things, just like it shows right here, for example, you can also follow people on Twitter, or you can follow people on Instagram. You can dislike YouTube channels, subscribe to YouTube channels, and so on. You'll still be able to make a decent amount of money, just like the people that I showed you before in the payment proofs. This is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you for watching.